All right, welcome. If you're in career services, you already know the daily juggle, giving students that deep, personalized guidance they need, but always against the clock. Well, today we're looking at a toolkit that's designed to fundamentally change that equation. We're going to walk through a new system that pairs AI assistance with your professional expertise to make your work quicker, more consistent, and honestly, a lot more powerful.
This quote just nails it, doesn't it? It's the core challenge you face every single day. That student who walks into your office with a job offer in hand, a ticking clock, and just a whole lot of questions. Your expertise is absolutely crucial, but your time is always limited. That's the exact problem we're here to talk about.
So what if you could slash the time you spend on all that prep work, the research, the drafting, the organizing, and reinvest that time into the human part of the job, the actual coaching, the strategy, the connection? That's exactly what this toolkit is built to do.
Okay, so what is this toolkit really? It's not some complicated software you have to install. Nope. It's actually just a combination of three really simple but powerful parts that all work together. Let's break them down.
First up, the AI language tool. You know these already. We're talking about things like ChatGPT or Claude. The absolute best way to think about them is as a super capable, incredibly fast research and writing assistant. It can read, synthesize, and draft information in seconds. But, and this is key, it needs you. You are always the expert in the room. The AI is just the assistant.
Now here's where it gets really cool. The second piece is the skill file. This is where the magic happens. A skill file is basically a super detailed set of instructions you give to your new assistant. It's like, instead of just asking a vague question, you're handing it a playbook that says, okay, today you're a career coach. Here's your task. Here are the exact steps to follow, and here's what a great job looks like. This is what gets you amazing, relevant results every single time.
The final piece of the puzzle is how these skill files are written. They use a really simple formatting language called Markdown. And when I say simple, I mean it. It's just using basic symbols you already know. A hash symbol makes a heading, a couple of asterisks makes something bold, a hyphen makes a bullet point. That's it. This simple structure is what helps the AI perfectly understand and follow the professional instructions you give it.
But I need you to hear this loud and clear. You do not need to learn how to write Markdown at all. You just need to know that when you open a skill file and see those symbols, they're just there to guide the AI. For you, it's just a text file. You open it, select everything, copy it, and paste it. The AI does all the heavy lifting with the formatting. It is literally that easy.
So how do all three of these pieces come together? Well, they fit into a super simple 6-step workflow. And here's the best part. This process is the exact same for every single skill in this toolkit. You learn it once, and you've mastered the whole system.
Let's walk through it real quick. 1. You open your AI platform. 2. You open the skill file you need for the task and copy everything. 3. You paste it into the chat and just wait for the AI to say, okay, I'm ready. 4. You add the specific info for that student, their resume, the job description, your own notes. 5. And this is the most critical step. You review the AI's output. You're the expert. You check the facts, you make the corrections. And finally, 6. You use that polished, professional draft to guide your coaching session or build a new resource.
Now, before we look at all the amazing things these skills can do, we have to talk about the single most important rule in this entire system. Think of this as the non-negotiable ethical line in the sand.
And there it is. Never, ever share an unreviewed AI draft directly with a student. Every single thing the AI generates is just that, a first draft. It absolutely requires your professional judgment, your context, and your expertise before anyone else sees it. This is the foundation of using these tools responsibly and professionally.
I love this slide because it makes the roles perfectly clear. The AI produces the draft. It does that initial heavy lifting of gathering and structuring the information. But you, the career professional, you produce the guidance. Your insight is what transforms a simple draft into powerful, effective advice for your students. Okay, now that we have that critical foundation set, let's get to the really exciting part. What can you actually do with this? Let's look at the 8 core skills that come with this toolkit.
Just take a look at this list. This is your new toolbox. Think about it. You can use the Career Opportunity Analyzer to decode a dense job posting and find what the employer really wants. Or use the Tailored Resume Strategist to perfectly align a student's resume to a dream job in minutes. You can build out interview prep guides, optimize LinkedIn profiles, help students analyze job offers. You can even use it to find themes in your own coaching notes.
The range of what you can do here is it's a game changer.
So you see, this isn't just about a new piece of tech. It's a completely new way to structure your work so you can focus on what you do best, coaching. Looking at that list, the only real question left is, which one of these powerful skills are you going to use first?